Hello and welcome to my other workbench. So I recently purchased two Stihl chainsaws. It came with a mill, a bar and a bunch of chains. So what are they? Well, I'll leave that up to you to guess. So this is one of them. I'll give a little hint. In Portugal, the Stihl website says value brand new, you can buy it for 200 euros. So that's one. There's two. Perhaps you can already kind of see what it might be. This one, new, on the Portuguese Stihl website, you pay for 825 euros. So this one is considered a professional saw, the other one is just a homeowner saw. So you can decide what it is. There's the steel bar. That bar comes originally with this chainsaw. So it's currently got a Sugihara bar on it that has been used for milling. This chainsaw is used for the milling. So there's all the bunch of chains lying behind it. Let me know what you think I paid for these. I will say they are both not running currently. So yeah, for spares or repairs, the plan is to fix the smaller one and sell that, and then I'll see what I'll do with the bigger one. I have no idea about milling. All of my trees are quite skinny, and that's the mill part. No idea on the value of that, but maybe you can tell me. Stay tuned for the big reveal. If you haven't guessed it yet, the video will be coming out tomorrow. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.